the music stopped, I can go ahead and film. This is a Yugen Equip Type R. Oh, there goes that music again. That is not Japanese music. Well, they're selling a lot of the Type R's, obviously. Look at all these Type R's. Here's the S2000. What is this? Kentucky.
Yeah, because Donna wants to. We've already.
This is my favorite car right here. This is what I would. That's what I would drive. Simple, but functional.
Number one thing for me is that
97.
should be able to do 40s.
Is this even a Type R anymore? It's not, is it? Oh, never mind. It's not a Type R. CRZs. Now this is an Insight. But look what it has under the hood. Kind of a lot for the carpool lane, huh? Yeah. It's tricking everybody. Fuel efficient.
There's like a bunch of Insights that show up here.
You don't see a lot of these anymore.
Not really.
I don't know why.
I love the blue around the projectors.
Yeah. I know when they first came out, Spoon was fixing them up, and then I don't see a lot of them.
It's good. The wave bar is the thing that's
What else we got over here? Oh. Race car. I really don't want to see anything that you can see at the showroom. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and go into the museum. We're going to check out the museum. It's 2000s. It's a nice car here, a little bit too much for me. There's an Accord ghettoed up. NSX. And I'm gonna have to shut this off because that music is annoying me like you wouldn't believe. Yeah. And here's a nice Type R. Oh, and it's a live band. I didn't realize it was a live band. This car is rebuildable and will run forever. Okay, and then you have a Viper. I don't know why this is here. So these are the guys making all the noise. It's actually a mariachi. Okay. All the yelling and screaming is coming from this mariachi over here. we're gonna make our way into the other side.